We know line of symmetry divides any shape or object into two equal parts, but it is not sufficient condition for line of symmetry. Let's clear all confusion with the help of some examples. This parallelogram can be easily divided into two equal parts along this red line, which we can verify in this way. After translation and rotation, one half is coincide with another half. But still, this red line is not line of symmetry for this parallelogram. Why? Because according to definition, if there is a line about which the figure may be folded so that the two parts of the figure will be coincide, that line is called the line of symmetry for that figure. For this definition, the key word is folded and coincide. So we can say the key word for this definition is coincide when folded. Let's see the line of symmetry for a equilateral triangle. This red line divides the triangle into two equal shapes which is congruent. Also, one half is coincide with another half when folded along this red line. So we can say this red line is line of symmetry for this equilateral triangle. Let's go back to parallelogram. If we folded this parallelogram along this red line, one half is not coincide with another half. If we try it for another line, that is the diagonal of parallelogram, we can divide it into two equal parts. But one half is not coincide with other half when folded along this red line. So we can say these lines are not line of symmetry for this parallelogram. Conditions for line of symmetry. Number 1. Coincide when folded. No extra work needed. Number 2. One half will be mirror reflection of another half. Is there any line of symmetry for letter Z? At first, take this line. This figure easily divide into two equal halves along this red line, but one equal half is not coincide with another half when folded along this red line. So we can say this red line is not line of symmetry for this figure or shape. For letter N, the result is same. We can easily divide this letter N along this red line. But one equal half is not coincide with another half when folded along this red line. So we can say this red line is not line of symmetry for this figure or shape. For letter S, we can easily divide this letter S along this red line into two equal parts. Also along this red line. But still, these red lines are not line of symmetry for letter S. Why? Because one equal half is not coincide with another half when folded along this red line.